Today I'm going to show you how to add sleeves on a sleeveless dress. First, I am going to hem the dress because it was a tad long for me and I'm going to be using the fabric that I cut off for sleeves. I cut out 30 inches long strip of fabric, 5 inches in width, and then I'm just going to curve the side. I am going for a flutter sleeve style. So now I am going to hem the edges of the fabric. I am using a hammer foot. This is called a double roll hem. I already have a tutorial on how to use that foot if you want to see it. After I hem the curve hem, I am going to sew a gathering stitch at the shoulder so I can gather the fabric. I'm simply going to gather it to fit the straps, and I'm going to pin it on the underside of the straps. If you are adding sleeves to a strapless dress, you have to create straps first, which I did in a different video. I'm going to have the link in the description box or up here. And then I'm just going to stitch it in place, and this is what it should look like. Look how pretty is that dress.